Hey, David and Leslie, I just wanted to go over this contract with you really fast. Um, so she's putting here that she knows you're going to take the refrigerator in the flex space with you. So here's her offer of $195. So same sales price as the other offer. She's going to use the same title company because I told her that title was already open at this one. So they've already done a lot of the legwork. So that'll save some time. She's going to obtain the survey within 21 days. She accepts the property as is. She's asking $450 for the residential service contract. Closing May 24th, which is about a week later than the other people wanted to close. Um, she says that she will do a walkthrough of the property 24 to 48 hours prior to closing, which is standard, and that you're going to provide the transferable warranty to her for the foundation. So she's also asking for $2,500 towards closing cost. And I'm going to explain something to you in a little bit about that, of what I would do in this situation. Okay, so here, what's so great about this offer is there's no option period. So she's not asking for that 10 days to do inspections. She's waiving that. Since we already sent her that inspection report, she's okay with everything on it. She saw the repairs that you made. So she's waiving that. So there will be no option period. Okay, so here's something interesting. So she's also a real estate agent. So she is also requesting that she get paid the 3% commission. So she can actually ask for that to go towards her closing cost. And depending on her broker and what their rules are, there might be a maximum percentage that she can put towards closing cost. I know my brokerage lets us do that. Actually, almost all of our commission can go towards closing costs. So it just depends on what her split is with her broker. But in my opinion, I would counter this offer and say that you're okay with the terms and everything, except for you're not going to provide the $2,500 in closing costs because she is already getting that 3% just for being a real estate agent as her commission. So, another thing I wanted to show you was I wrote her lender and I asked him just a little while ago about Tina, which is that's her name, Tina, and he said, good evening, Miranda. Thank you for emailing me. I have been working with Tina several months. Her documents and assets have been verified and we can close by 5/24. So that means she's already turned in everything and everything's already been verified. So that's good. I also want to show you the net sheet for this offer. So this is the offer without the $2,500 closing cost that she asked for. And I just realized I put $425 for the home warranty, but it's actually $450. So add $25 to that. And I adjusted that $300 since we're using first priority. That's their escrow fee. I left that loan that you guys have for 67. It may be a little less now. And so that's your net right there. And I'll send all of this to you when I send you the offer. If you did do the 2,500 towards closing, which I would not recommend, but I'm just showing it to you. Here's what your numbers would look like right there. Okay, and there's one other thing I wanted to show you on her third party financing addendum. Oh, let's see. She has down 14 days. But like her lender said, he's already verified the documents. So that's good. And Academy Mortgage is actually the company that my preferred lender works with. So everyone that I recommend, I actually send to Academy Mortgage, and that's the company he works with. So I'm going to email all of this to you. Well, it's in this email I'm going to send you with this link, so you'll have it all. And you can look and tell me how you want to proceed. I think it's a good offer. I think the $2,500 just needs to come off. So I will talk to you soon.